10th as a soft opening because we were just eager to get open. And we wanted to wait for our grand opening until we got our exterior signage, kind of the crown jewel of the store that's been a part of our historic renovation. So we worked with the Kansas Historical Society to redo this building, and my dad, Nick Hart, is right here, and he, I think, deserves a round of applause. Without him, we wouldn't have been able to make this building possible, so it was a dream that became, our life work, so that's really fun. So anyway, they will be living upstairs in an apartment. That's also part of bringing back the original piece of that shopkeepers used to live above their shop. So that's going to be kind of a fun piece. But we're a combined quilt shop toy store. Most of you are here today because you're some of our favorite customers and have watched us grow from our pop-up store across the street. So we started over there 2 years ago next Friday. So we opened up Black Friday 2 years ago in our pop-up store. So we've actually almost been a thing for 2 years. And then my mom, Connie Hart, this also wouldn't be a thing without her. So some people think that they assumed when Channel 3 came down and did a story on us, they assumed that the toy side was because I was the younger person. But really, the toys are here because of my mom. So
we all think it's fun.
Yeah, well, she drinks a lot of water. So there is an age difference there, but thank you. Anyway, so we're here. We're celebrating our ribbon cutting.